In today's video, we're gonna make these delicious pesto chicken thighs. This recipe is super easy to make. Like literally you just need 2 ingredients. And I'm gonna show you 2 methods. One, if you wanna make them right away, and another one, if you got a little time to prep them ahead. If you have a little time, I highly recommend marinating the chicken thighs in a zip bag with the pesto sauce to infuse it with a lot of flavor. And then all you need to do is make sure to squish it around, make sure to distribute the pesto throughout all of the thighs, seal the bag, and place it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. The other method is to place your chicken thighs right in the baking dish and with a spoon, distribute the pesto sauce over the top. And if you want extra flavor, just lift the skin and put some pesto between the skin and the chicken meat. Now, once they're all covered in pesto, just simply take the back of your spoon and spread it throughout the entire dish to make sure they're all covered with that basil and garlic flavor that we love. And now that these are ready, let's bake them in our preheated oven. Once your chicken thighs are ready and the internal temperature is 175 Fahrenheit, you're gonna remove them from the oven. Guys, when these look amazing, that crispy texture on the chicken thigh skin, I know they've been infused with all of that pesto flavor. Super juicy. Perfect, and you can taste the pesto in there. Make sure you grab the recipe and ingredient directions. And if you just want a quick side salad, check out this next video.